and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this DeLonghi Magnifica S espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. Do the cappuccino. I have water in the milk carafe, that's just so I don't have to clean it. You can see it's doing a good job of sucking the water for the cappuccino. And the espresso. So set down the clean. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.